halfway mark of our 8-week video series about digital transformation. Hopefully you are taking away useful information and not feeling overloaded as we walk through areas that you can focus on to implement your own digital transformation. Today we are taking a deeper look into the last core driver in Microsoft's roadmap to achieve digital transformation: transforming your products and services. Now, we don't mean that you should completely change your offerings. For example, if you are a veterinarian clinic, we are not suggesting that you should transform your services to include opening your doors to provide medical care to humans alongside your typical four-legged patients. Hey Barry, where was it that you got your last medical done at?
Oh, you know that veterinary clinic just down the road?
Okay, good thing we cleared that up. With human medical care off the table, perhaps by collecting data and listening to your clients' needs, you could transform your veterinarian clinic offerings to include a full pet grooming spa or a doggy daycare center instead. New service opportunities will surface after your organizational data is collected and analyzed. By taking advantage of self-servicing data analysis tools, your organization can gain insights into service performance, and by making certain data available to the public, citizens and organizations can contribute to the process of innovating services and accelerating digital transformation. I think that it is time for an example. If you are a municipality, a good example of what a transformed service could look like is to adopt and offer 311 reporting to your ratepayers. Using a simple app on their smartphone, citizens can photograph and report items of concern, such as a pothole. They can see if the pothole has already been reported and can follow the progress timeline of repair. Allowing that information to be easily shared reduces concern, improves communication, and overall relationship between citizens and municipalities. That brings me to why I am recording in this securely protected vault room. The noise that you are hearing is the sound of our servers. The temperature in here must be held below 20 degrees Celsius in order to keep the machines from overheating or negatively affecting their functionality. In 2018, TRINUS transformed our services by listening to the needs and safety concerns of our clients and installed what we call today our in-house hosted cloud services. As you can see, transforming your products and services can mean different things depending on your current offerings. But after data analysis and close inspection of your customers' or citizens' needs, you too can make transformations to your offerings, and doing so will take you even further into your digital transformation journey. Don't let your digital transformation stress you out. Call a TRINUS account manager to help you with your modernization plan.